Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Your phone and WhatsApp must be up to date, and you should know your passcode. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Notifications or Apps. You want to locate WhatsApp in the app list now. That speeds things up. Make sure System Do Not Disturb is off or configured for exceptions, because that blocks lock screen alerts. If you have a separate lock screen settings panel, open it too so you can toggle visibility in the next step. Now you tap WhatsApp inside Apps, then choose Notifications. You must enable Allow Notifications and specifically allow Show on Lock Screen or Lock Screen Visibility. That control dictates whether previews appear when your phone is locked. Next, set the notification style, banners or alerts for iOS or importance level high for Android, and enable sound if desired. Once configured, check message previews or notifications. Finish by opening WhatsApp's internal settings notifications to confirm in-app alerts match system permissions. You can enable conversation tones and set pop-up previews there. If notifications don't appear, toggle system notifications for WhatsApp off and on, then reboot the device. That often resets channels. Also make sure Do Not Disturb, Battery Saver, or app-specific background restrictions aren't blocking lock screen alerts. If previews still fail, try uninstalling updates or clearing the app cache as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.